This is a B40 mini dash camera, and I'm replacing the battery to Capacitors, Supercaps. So first of all, I'm gonna tell you that if you want to replace battery, the stock battery to original battery, you need to do some DIY. The original battery has 3 wires, 1, 2, 3. They're here, 1, 2, 3, and most of replacement batteries, actually all of them which I saw online, they have 2 wires, and the chip in the battery for the 2 wires. So in order to exchange this battery to the stock one, you just need to desolder that chip here, chip for 3 wire, just replace them, and this way you can have, like, this is 450 milliamp and the original one is only 300 milliamp. So yeah, just take the chip and replace them, and this way you can use it. So let's go back to the Supercaps. So in order to use those Supercaps, I had to use the original battery microchip here, and just desoldered this and soldered it to the Supercaps here. I will zoom in. Okay, so here is this chip, and I'm using quite powerful Supercaps. These are 10 farad each, 2.7 volts, so combined they give me 5 farad, 5.4 volt. So let's test it. Okay, like this. Okay, easy. And off we go. Just a moment. Okay, I have to be careful with those Supercaps. So yeah, as you can see, it started recording. Everything's fine. It records, and let's play around. So let's stop. Let's go into the menu, and yeah, navigate menu. Everything's fine. So let's start recording. So yeah, it records. So yeah, Supercaps works. Of course, I need to recharge them and fully recharge and test how it will record the last file after I pull it out. So I'm gonna do it new tests later when the Supercaps are fully charged and capacity is reached. So, but at least at the moment, it's working fine. And yeah, I will continue my tests.